Maskandi sensation Khuzani Mpungose has officially married his longtime partner in what's been hailed as one of the biggest weddings in the Maskandi industry. The 36-year-old musician from Nkandla successfully kept his bride's identity secret for months. This has created massive anticipation among fans. The mystery finally ended when Khuzani revealed his wife as Nondumiso Mathenjwa from Manyiseni village in Ngwavuma. Their wedding celebrations spanned several days, beginning with a pre-wedding ceremony at her family home on December 7th, where strict photography restrictions were enforced. The couple held a private white wedding at Zungunes Wedding and Conference Center in Howick on December the 11th. It was attended only by invited guests. However, the main event was their spectacular traditional wedding at Khuzani's home in Mandaba village on Monday, December the 15th. The traditional ceremony was a lavish affair with Khuzani wearing full Zulu traditional attire, while his bride and bridesmaids donned Swati traditional outfits. Yeah, Khuba. Over 30 cattle were slaughtered to feed the massive gathering of guests, which included high-profile attendees such as King Misuzulu's wife, Queen Nozizwe Mulela, former President Jacob Zuma, prominent musicians, and media personalities. In an interesting twist, the couple sang Khuzani's hit song during the ceremony, a track ironically titled "Marriage is Not a Prison." The celebration featured two parts, with exclusive content from the private marquee section reserved for Khuzani's upcoming reality TV show.